Welcome to my channel Speedline Auto. Today, we're diving into something rare. Something that doesn't just redefine luxury, it redefines Toyota itself. Because behind this quiet, dignified design is a vehicle that costs nearly $200,000. And no, it's not a Lexus. It's the 2026 Toyota Century. And calling it a car doesn't do it justice. This is Japan's ultimate chauffeur-driven machine, handcrafted, iconic, and dripping in understated royalty. At first glance, you might not be blown away, and that's the point. The Century doesn't flaunt supercar curves or flashy chrome. It's built to project power in silence. The massive vertical grille, flanked by precise LED headlamps. The upright posture, long body lines. It's a car that commands respect without saying a word. And that Phoenix badge up front, that's not Toyota's logo. That's the symbol of nobility, worn only by the Century. Under the hood, the 2026 Century is powered by a smooth hybrid V8. It's not designed to thrill, it's built to glide. Every movement feels effortless. Acceleration is buttery, transitions are seamless, and the cabin remains eerily quiet, even at highway speeds. You don't hear the engine, you don't feel the road, you just float like royalty should. Inside, the Century becomes a sanctuary. Soft closed doors reveal a cabin drenched in traditional Japanese craftsmanship. Think polished wood paneling, ultra-soft leather, thick pile carpets, and a level of attention to detail that feels more like a private suite than an automobile. But the real experience is in the rear. Reclining executive seats with full leg, rests, massage functions, personal climate controls, and a center touchscreen that gives you command of everything, from ambient lighting to entertainment. There's even a privacy curtain should you need complete isolation. No digital gimmicks. No unnecessary tech overload. Just quiet, confident luxury, executed to perfection. The ride is whisper quiet, thanks to layers of sound insulation and double-glazed glass. Every touchpoint feels intentional. Every surface tells a story. Toyota doesn't mass-produce the Century. Each unit is meticulously assembled by master technicians in a dedicated factory. You can't just buy one off the lot. These are vehicles built for diplomats, executives, and Japan's elite. Owning one isn't about being flashy. It's about knowing that you're riding in something that symbolizes prestige without ever needing to announce it. And that's what makes the 2026 Century so special. It isn't chasing Mercedes or Rolls-Royce. It's operating in its own league, guided by tradition, engineered with honor, and built for those who understand that true luxury doesn't shout.